back on business. Just help the lady there. Don't come out. Don't come out. You never drove here. Don't come out. You go 100 miles per hour on the highway. Good. It's nothing. Nothing similar with the snow. Nope. In your top, not. Came from overseas, south, not. It's not muddy. Snow. It's ice. No grip. Pine Street. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow here too. Yeah. Alright guys, have a good night. Stay home. Drink your soup. Soup. And just look through the window.